The paralysis of both upper and lower extremities is known as A. Hemiplegia, B. Paraplegia, C. Monoplegia, D. Quadriplegia. And the correct answer is D. Quadriplegia. Here, hemiplegia, it is partial paralysis on one side of the body. Paraplegia, it is paralysis of lower body. Monoplegia, it is paralysis of a single limb, usually an arm. Quadriplegia, it is partial paralysis or total loss of function of 4 limbs and body. It is also known as tetraplegia. The position to be maintained for a patient with increased ICP is A. Fowler's position, B. Trendelenburg position, C. Side-lying position, D. Supine position. And the correct answer is A. Fowler's position. In the patient with raised ICP, it is common practice to position the patient in the bed with the head elevated above the level of heart. Elevating the head to 45 degree or 90 degree significantly reduce ICP. The compression to ventilation ratio in CPR in case of single rescuer is A. 5:2, B. 15:2, C. 30:2, D. 2:30. And the right answer is C. 30:2. As per new guidelines, the compression to ventilation ratio is 30:2. What is the recommended maximum noise level? A. 85 decibel, B. 90 decibel, C. 80 decibel, D. 75 decibel. And the right answer is A. 85 decibel. Sounds at or below 70 decibel are generally considered safe. Any sound at or above 85 decibel is more likely to damage our hearing over time. The difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure is known as A. Pulse difference, B. Cardiac pressure, C. Systolic pressure, D. Pulse pressure. And the right answer is D. Pulse pressure. Pulse pressure is the difference between systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It is measured in millimeters of mercury. It represents the force that heart creates on each time when it contracts. And the normal pulse pressure is approximately 40 millimeter of mercury. The solution used to disinfect the bed linen of HIV positive patient is A. Savlon, B. Sodium hypochlorite, C. Dettol, D. Lysol. And the right answer is B. Sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite is most frequently used as a disinfecting agent. It is a broad spectrum disinfectant that is effective for the disinfection of virus, bacteria, fungus and mycobacterium. All of the following are sterilized by chemicals except A. Endoscope, B. Gauze, C. Scissors, D. Cables. And the right answer is B. Gauze. Gauze and other woolen fabrics are being sterilized by autoclave. Volume remaining in the lungs and airways following a maximum exploratory efforts is known as A. Residual volume, B. Total lung capacity, C. Vital capacity, D. Tidal volume. And the correct answer is A. Residual volume. Residual volume is the volume of air remaining in the lungs after maximum forceful expiration. Total lung capacity is defined as the total volume of air in the lungs after a maximum inspiration. The average lung capacity is about 6 liter. Vital capacity is the maximum amount of air a person can expel from the lungs after a maximum inhalation. Tidal volume is the amount of air that moves in or out of the lungs with each respiratory cycle.